Found this video? You're already on the right track. Together, we learn real English through movies. Train your ear, grow your vocabulary. Ready? Let's get started.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing? You ask this to know what someone is doing right now. You walk in and see your friend at the stove. What are you doing? Just making coffee.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You got a minute? You got a minute?
You got a minute? You got a minute?
Got a minute?
You got a minute? It is a friendly way to ask if someone has time to talk. You stop by your boss's desk. You got a minute? Sure, what's up?
You got a minute? You got a minute? You got a minute?
What's the plan?
What's the plan?
What's the plan?
What's the plan? You ask this when you want to know what everyone will do. Your friends meet up for the night. What's the plan? We eat first, then a movie.
What's the plan?
What's the plan?
What's the plan?
How did it go?
How'd it go?
How'd it go?
How did it go?
How'd it go?
How did it go? You ask this after something important, to hear the result. Your friend comes home from a big test. How did it go? Really well, I think.
How did it go? How did it go?
What's on your mind?
What's on your mind? What's on your mind?
What's on your mind?
What's on your mind, man?
What's on your mind? You ask this to invite someone to share their thoughts. Your friend looks quiet and far away. What's on your mind? I've been thinking about the move.
What's on your mind?
What's on your mind?
Hey, what's the rush?
What's the rush? What's the rush?
What's the rush? What's the rush?
What's the rush? You ask this when someone is hurrying and you want them to slow down. Your friend runs for the door. What's the rush? I'm late for work.
What's the rush?
What's the rush?
What's the rush?
What took you so long?
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 What took you so long? You ask this when someone is late and you waited a long time. Your friend shows up an hour late. What took you so long? Sorry, the traffic was bad.
What took you so long?
What took you so long?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think? You ask this to get their opinion. You show a friend your new painting. What do you think? I like it a lot.
What do you think?
What do you think?
What are you getting at?
What are you getting at?
Why were you getting it? Well,
What are you getting at?
what are you getting at?
What are you getting at?
Yeah, and what are you getting at?
What are you getting at? You ask this when you want to know the real point someone is making. Your friend keeps hinting at something. What are you getting at? I think you already know.
What are you getting at?
What are you getting at?
What are you getting at?
Why are you acting so weird?
Hey, why are you acting so weird, huh? Why are you acting so weird?
Why are you acting so weird?
Why are you acting so weird? You ask this when someone is behaving in a strange way. Your friend is quiet and nervous all night. Why are you acting so weird? I'm fine. Really.
Why are you acting so weird?
Then why are you acting so weird? And why are you acting so weird?
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
How is that possible? You say this when something is very hard to believe. Your friend tells you shocking news. How is that possible? I saw it with my own eyes.
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
How is that possible?
You're kidding, right?
You're kidding, right?
You're kidding, right?
You're kidding, right? Just go.
You're kidding, right? You're kidding, right?
You're kidding, right? You say this when news is so surprising you hope it is a joke. Your friend says they are moving away. You're kidding, right? No, I'm serious.
You're kidding, right?
You're kidding, right?
You're kidding, right?
Those are your 12 questions. What are you doing? You got a minute? What's the plan? How did it go? What's on your mind? What's the rush? What took you so long? What do you think? What are you getting at? Why are you acting so weird? How is that possible? You're kidding, right? Ask them out loud today. Subscribe for more Movie English.